Look, look. Hope the concrete's okay. Just watch out for the bong water. Whoa.
There's a hole.
Oh, shit. No. Why'd you Rex swap your car? Because we dropped the engine.
Oh, you did that deliberately?
No, of course not. There's been a rat in there, man.
It's poo.
Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, it stinks so bad.
That's why it smells like rat and fish. Because it's full of rat shit, and fish because of the clutch.
It only took me dropping the engine on the floor to discover that.
Yeah.
And breaking it.
Yeah. Are we still putting it back in?
Up to you, mate. It's your car.
Oh, is it? Now we're listening.